I and my team just returned from KwaNdebele to deliver a portrait I shot of Dr. Esther Mahlangu, which is almost 6 years old now. Gogo Esther is one of the national treasures in the art space, with work and collaborations spanning 7 decades under her belt. Gogo has inspired the world, including me, with the colorful pieces Mgwalo. I have to say though, that at Africa's Tourism Indaba, AmaNdebele came across as the most well-represented tribes that we have in Mpumalanga. From a young cultural activist, a fashionista, someone considered to be a human encyclopedia, a Ikamanga awarded cultural icon, to the municipal manager of Thembisile Hani, bangiphe isikhashana sabo uma sihlangana ku-indaba. Naku laba siphathise bona.
Bakwethu namhlanje singeDurban eKZN sizokuthengisa ubukhwari nesikopilo nevunule yobuhle bamaNdebele. Angikhambi ngedwa ke kazi lapho ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku.